The question we received was, what is the right time to join a dental clinic? Should I join it during my first year to fourth year of BDS, during internship, or after I complete BDS? I'm Dr. Satish Kumar. This is Kaizen Dental. Our aim here is to help dentists succeed. Now, the answer to this question has two parts. First is, what are the factors you should consider regarding the timing of joining a dental clinic? And second is my opinion about it. But why are there factors which you should consider? The reason being, each one's journey and story is absolutely unique. Similarly, your situation is unique and you cannot compare it with others around you. So the first factor to consider is time management. You have to evaluate your schedule and workload and see that whether you can balance both clinical work and college and academic duties. If you can do that without feeling overwhelmed or tensed, then you can think about joining a clinic. But if you join a clinic too early, you can get stressed out about managing both. Second, do you have your basics right? When you join a practice, you would see the dentist out there using words like alginate, secondary impression, composite, curing time, and so on. If you have no understanding about what these materials are or what these procedures are, you would get absolutely confused and feel out of place there. So see that your basics are right before you join a dental clinic. Third, are you mentally ready? That is, do you have the confidence, the skills, and the comfort level of working under someone? Joining a clinic is getting into the professional world. You're no longer in the comfort zone of your college where there are seniors and staff members to support you. You're on your own and you have to be willing to learn and make mistakes as you grow. Now, what is my opinion about all of this? If you're in the first and second year and your basics are not right, if you join a dental clinic early, you can feel overwhelmed, tensed, and you'll be absolutely confused. Imagine a student of first standard asked to attend 10 standard classes. How would he feel? There are chances you might feel the same. According to me, in first and second year BDS, you need not join a dental clinic. The reason being, you have still not understood the basics of dentistry. If you join a dental clinic, there are higher chances that you might feel overwhelmed and think that dentistry is absolutely difficult and you cannot do it. There are chances you might lose your confidence. So once you have your basics right, it's only then you should join a dental clinic. Then comes the third and fourth year of BDS. Here you're already into clinical practice working on patients in college. If you think you're able to balance both the clinical work in college, your studies, and also join a clinic in the evenings for observation, then you can think about it. Then comes during internship. If you have made up your mind that you are going to stick to clinical dentistry, then it makes absolute sense to join a clinic in the evenings during internship. But if you are in an institute which is in the outskirts, there are no dental clinics nearby, then this becomes difficult. You will have to make do by learning and studying about dentistry in the evenings on your own. The only exception is if you have already decided you want to get into NEET MDS and have also decided which branch you are going to get into, then you can sit and focus on studying for NEET MDS. But I always suggest people, before they decide which subject they are going to get into after giving their NEET MDS, it is better to join a dental clinic and have an understanding of whether you like those kind of procedures, whether that is the right field for you. We have already created a video explaining each and every MDS branch and how to select which is the best MDS option for you after BDS. Then comes after internship. If you are getting into clinical dentistry and not thinking of giving NEET MDS, then there's no option but to join a dental clinic as soon as possible. But when you're doing so, you have to remember how to go about selecting what the best dental clinic option is for you so that you can grow and learn fast. We have created a video about how to select the ideal dental clinic. Check that video out. before you take your final decision.